Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to use Instagram countdown sticker while using your Instagram story. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you simply have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Then in order to use the countdown sticker, you simply have to create a story. For that, you have to swipe to left. Once you are here, you can either take a photo or a video right now, and you can also select the one from the gallery. So once you are done with the picture, here at the top, you will see 4 different options. So one of the option from them is of stickers. So simply tap on that. Here, as you guys can see that in the third column, the last option is of countdown. So simply tap on that. Now first of all, it will ask you to name the countdown. For example, if I'm naming birthday, then after that you simply have to set end date and time. So first of all, you have to select the date. For example, if I am selecting 26 March, after that it will automatically set the hours and minutes. Then once you are done, you simply have to tap on done at the top of the screen. In order to change the color of the countdown, you simply have to tap on countdown again, and here at the top it will show you the color wheel. So simply tap on that and the colors of the countdown will be start changing. Select the color of your own preference and then tap on done, and then simply post your story by simply tapping on your story at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.